There you go, absolutely pure tallow. That is liquid gold. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're talking tallow, an old-fashioned fat which deserves its place in the modern kitchen. People forget about this, but you know, tallow is worth making. This is beef fat which I have collected and frozen in a bag. I've defrosted it, so I've got enough fat to use now, and we're going to render it in the oven. Now, tallow is one of those essential ingredients from way back when. However, it's still used in the modern kitchen. So we have our beef fat trimmings there. Okay, and we've got a little bit of meat in there as well, but that doesn't matter. You know, it adds to the flavour, so don't worry about it. So there is our beef fat in there. Quite hard fat on some of this, but we are going to render that down in the oven. Now we're going to render it down in the oven, and it has to be low. So we're going on, and we're going to turn the temperature down to about 130. On it goes, and we're going to put that in. It's as easy as that. Now it could take an hour and a half. It depends on how much fat you've got in there. It could take 3 hours if you have a lot of fat in there. But this in here should take about an hour, thereabouts, in the air fryer. All we're trying to do is render the oils, the fats, out of the hard fat. And that is tallow. Liquid gold in the kitchen. Fantastic. So low and slow. We don't want to burn the fats. Okay, so when you've taken it down far enough, you just take it out. So that is our beef tallow there. That is what we're after, that liquid gold. That is what we need. The dogs can have this. So all we do is drain that into a bowl. There you go, absolutely pure tallow. That is liquid gold. So there you are, that is red hot. So there you are, that is pure beef tallow made. Just let it cool down, put it in the fridge, use it for your everyday ingredients. That is really high quality beef tallow fat. Don't forget, check out the description, and there'll be uses and everything to use with beef tallow for those people who don't know how to use it. That is liquid gold beef tallow made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, share with your friends. You know, they might want to use beef tallow. Catch you in the next video.